Hey guys, me again. We have a new one. We have a new issue, at hand. No, for real though, we've got ants. Ants, a lot of them. They're gross. There's several of them, and you know, they stepped into the wrong home, I'll tell you that much. I've got some Suspend SC, and we have Gourmet Ant Gel. Every home should have this in it, and it's safe for pets and kids if you have like a curious bunch in your house. First things first, you fill up your sprayer. Here's my cool guy sprayer that I have from work. Works super well, but any sprayer will do. You see, I don't have any kind of fancy hose, right? Because I live in an apartment. We don't have yards here. So I'm just gonna use my bathtub. And you know, if you also live in an apartment, and you're also having ant problems, and you also have a BNG sprayer, then just fill it up in your bathtub. It's so easy. Okay, so that's still not really in focus. That's okay. Here, I'm just gonna do it about halfway. If I was gonna do a full, that's kind of more than halfway. If I was doing a gallon, I would do the 0.75 fluid ounces. I'm probably not even gonna do this whole thing, really. Yeah, it's good. Alright, now we got our goopies in there. We can turn this on. I know it's, hang on. Let me, oh yeah, that's a choice shot. Oh shit! Oh, the shower was on. Great. Wow. Okay, so I left a little bit of room because this big boy plunger's going in there, and I don't want it to start like getting over zesty. I'm not gonna spray on the ledge. I have something else for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a tiny, you can kind of see it, just a tiny little gloop, like a pea-sized gloop. All right, so the spray that I'm using is a repellent, but it'll also kill whatever just kind of hangs around. Then I got the bait for anything that repellent won't kill. Psh, psh. Psh. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole place because it's quick, it's easy, and if you aren't an idiot, you can do it yourself. Then you don't have to pay people like me to do it.